So YouTube, I have another video. I got scammed a couple of days ago. They sent me a mask, so I want to review the mask because it is pretty cool. So this is the mask. In my description, there will be a link and where to buy the mask because I found links and where to buy it. And look just like that. A little creepy. It lights up. It has like a remote that you can change the light, the way it got 3 settings. It blinks, it flashes. You'll see in a few minutes. This is the strap, and the inside it's got a foam, so it's built pretty nice. Pretty nice. So, and it has a clip, so you can clip it to your pants. So I'm basically gonna probably use this for Halloween, which I already paid a lot for it. The scam. So it takes 2 AA batteries. Okay. Takes 2 AA batteries. So the mask look just like that. Now you press the button, it turns on. As you can see, it does look a little scary. Press it again, it blinks. Press it again, it blinks faster. So it's pretty cool. Turn it off, press it again. Now I'm gonna put the mask on in the dark so you can see how it looks in the dark. Okay, I'm on the dark. As you can see, that's how it looks. That's how it blinks. That's pretty cool. And that's how it blinks even faster. So it's a pretty cool mask. Very nice. The way it's built. Like I said, in my description there will be a link and where to buy this mask. I got it from a scam because they scammed me, but hey, not that bad. I did pay a lot, but what can we do? I got a video on the scam, so if you want to check it out, what happened. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is the mask. Thanks for watching.